Come take a look at this 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. This Avalanche has just under 38,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, MP3, tow package and driver airbag. Call 800-763-7811 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.